125 जे amendment bill no tui nyai nang samana abo tax sarai sarai ka saka sana
tadi sumuka 125 amendment bill jata standing committee ni report aruka sung event TSF bosun propose paikya Timberland Autonomous Territorial Council je autonomy ni ward autonomous ward no sing khiri tai standing committee report no abono sub sijak to Timberland Autonomous Territorial Council ama kino tabu Karbi Anglong nadi Karbi Autonomous Territorial Council di Mahasau ba North Castle Hill Autonomous Territorial Council ingin abono sung luka political party sung bongni speech ko sung DDC salaimani ngetai event thanai kisa sekangan kaisa video nuka rotol borong nang minister rotol nalna je tabung nara TDC sihindi ini bung saito mani kabalo thik jaiga tamni bai meke nadi sung je demand claimini aros autonomy ward ni khimnani no sung saya sung sabo 125 amendment bill khai ke borok jodi propose khai ke 125 amendment bill Timberland Autonomous Territorial Council nang tu nik abang standing committee ni report je propose khai jamani je stakeholder of money abang tino clarification khana musungo je kuno political basona phone tu political speech rogo sini political leaders ro bono koinai abano kisa careful mani bagai sing TTC niawoi Timberland Autonomous Territorial Council no kai blai hamnai amo sini borok no TTC ni confuse mo thong borok baksa abon bagino abon bag clear khana musu
nongoro samani to bumung no simi se correction khajani sama hai TTC je 125 je bill a bisingo autonomous ki tola tong tongi abrole cher je nai hanaro
abono je naidi je 125 amendment bill ni antuna standing committee ni report to asaga Timberland Autonomous Territorial Council no sija amo tongu amo sumo propose kerja sing malai phenomenal 7 people jaga mano Timberland Autonomous Territorial Council but Timberland Autonomous Territorial Council nang tu ni busul tu sa amo sini diman je bumung ba কিন্তু standing committee report ko awon to ang je report man standing committee report to kabot sur Timberland Territorial Council ni dia karena di dari Tripura Territorial Council already tong lagi no agin tong abong kha agi jikri parsi tong floor abong to
state holding asset
to TTC ni abong banyak samani tamba careful na nang because Tripura Territorial Council already existed once agi tong pagi so tamya abong repeat kana batai amar Timberland Autonomous Territorial Council na abong sini je clarification khana musuman